Hello Crafties, this is Sandra from Wallifyer.com and I create small batch graphics so you can keep your designs unique and the annoying copycats away. Well, I hope you all hear me. This is just a little shout out here because the Christmas in Craftieland event starts in just a couple of hours, and hopefully you will get some more information in your inboxes soon. Uh, Depending on where you are in the world, of course, this little email drop might come at different times, but the event starts, at least so much I can say, at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern European time, which is 2, let's see here. It's 2 p.m. EST, so now I hopefully got it right. Correct me if I'm wrong, It's getting dark here already, so I just had to have this quick little chat with you. And I just want to push a little reminder about the Patreon idea I had. If any one of you have any ideas, or if you dislike or like this idea of having a Patreon site for more in-depth help with it, for example, branding your small creative business, or if you want to see more like tutorials and stuff featuring, those cute little clip art graphics that I have, or tutorials featuring them at all, because it's hard to show them on YouTube as the rules are as now. So please give me a little heads up what you think about this. It's no stressy. I know it's Christmas, so just relax and keep an eye on your inboxes, and hopefully you get some more information about the Christmas in Craftieland event. And I'm off to bring coffee with my mom who's waiting upstairs. So enjoy your day, and please let me know your thoughts about the Patreon thingy. And yeah, if you don't seen it yet, if you haven't seen it yet, I did a little short color analysis of the classic blue color that are now the Pantone Institute's color of the year. So the blue is popping up here and there. So I don't really know how this will end. So keep your eyes out for the blue, in real life, and please let me know if you see a big box store with the classic blue colors, pasted everywhere, or clothing and everything. It's so fun to follow, color trends, and staying on top of this is essential if you have like a print shop or anything like that. And the same is for your homepage, branding and stuff, and blah blah blah. You know the deal. So please share if you have some in real life experiences of the classic blue color. And see you soon, and don't forget that the Craftie event starts tonight. Bye bye friends, see ya.